we got some goodies on a Friday from American Base to Sine Wave Productions. We got a nice box, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing video here for y'all. This is our deal of the week for those of you that might be interested and wanted to add a little thump. And now again, I can get all kinds of the American-based products, but this is just one that we got featured here right now on a good deal. So if you want to take advantage of a good package price on some quality audio products from American Base, hit me up. These are the GN series VFL 10s. These are dual voice coil 4 ohm subs. They got some decent weight to them for just a little 10. They come in a nice package box. It's kind of hard to focus in on that. I'll try to. Rubber surround, fiberglass woven cone, 2-inch aluminum voice coil, 100-ounce magnet. So these carry a retail price of $130 a piece. But again, we got them package priced right now through the sine wave connection. If you get them installed with an amp and a custom box, I'm hooking you up with a pretty sweet deal right now. So as you open it up here, you got your instructions, nice little picture of what you're rocking. Got your manual there. You got some Thiel Small parameters. Not a lot of stuff, but if you know anything about box building and box design, you don't need to have super information. This one's a little bit haggard on the inside here. We'll see if we can get it out without any drama. Just let that chill. They're actually really nice looking subs. You got the nice gasket there with the VFL audio right on it. Nice high rubber surround. This is actually a really good looking speaker, man. You got the cone stitched, the surround stitched into the cone. That red VFL push terminals. Kind of remind me of the Dark Audio subwoofers. I know some of y'all are familiar with that brand. Unfortunately, they are no longer with us. Dark Audio, but got a nice vent and the little 2-inch voice coil there. But yeah, very stiff suspension right out of the box. It's a dual voice coil. Again, look for them on our deal of the week. We got some more goodies we'll be unboxing later on to show you guys. But yeah, man, can't wait to see what these bad boys do. Designed for small enclosures. Yeah, pretty sweet. Nice job from VFL Audio, American Base. Can't wait to hear them. Thanks for checking it out.